my heart is overwhelmed by the burden of my sin, I lift my eyes beyond myself to where my help begins. When my strength is running thin and I'm nowhere left to stand, you are my refuge and my rest, a shelter made by your hand. Then I hear a gentle voice bringing tears that heal my soul. You remind my trembling heart I am known, I am not alone. Oh Lord, I need you now and always. Restore my heart, make me new. I search the world for something greater, only to find your ways true. Oh Lord, your way is better. Yeshua, your way is better. I am thankful for your mercy, every grace you're free to give. You loved me when I was unclean and taught my broken heart to live. You see every part of me, nothing hidden from your side. But still you draw me close in love and calm my darkness into light. You are faithful in the valley, you are near on every road. You don't abandon weary souls, you carry every load. Oh Lord, I need you now and always. Restore my heart, make me know. I search the world for something greater, only to find your ways true. Oh Lord, your way is better. Yeshua, your way is better. Come to me, you weary ones, I will give you rest. Your yoke is easy like to bear, you are my righteousness.